Hello friends, I am Vani. Today we will start our science chapter. The name of our chapter is Soil Erosion and Conservation. Do you know what is soil? Let's come on read. What is soil? The soil is the top layer of the earth's surface. You know what is soil? Soil is the top layer of the earth's surface. It is made up of dirt and rocks. It is filled with air and life. We are live on land and land has been soil. Soil is very important for us and it is made up of dirt and rocks. Let's see. Come to next one. A variety of organisms like insects, earthworms live in soil. So little organisms are known as earthworms and many more. So today then second point is for plants soil serves as a storehouse of water and minerals needed for their growth. So they are saying for plants, soil serves as storehouse of water and minerals needed for their growth. Like that, it also provides shelter to many animals that live on or in the soil. Without soil, there would be no grass, no crops, no trees, no food for us and other animals. Now let's revise what we have learned. So, firstly, we will do what we have learned. First topic is a variety of organisms like earthworm. You know what is earthworm? This is earthworm. It is the best friend of farmers. So, they live in soil. They live in soil. Then another point is, for plants serves as a storehouse of water and minerals needed for their growth. So, this is our plant. Okay, this is our tree. In the soil. In the soil, there are minerals and water. Soil needs water and minerals for their growth. Then our next point is, it also provides shelter to many animals that live on or in the soil. Like I have told you, the earthworm, it's also live in this. It also live in the soil. Then our next point is, without soil there would be no grass. You have seen, you go into the park, you see there are grass, but then under the grass, what is? Under the grass there is a soil. There are many types of soil. I mean many layers of soil and many types of soil. So, firstly, we should know that how many types of soil are there? There are 4 types of soil. Sandy soil we found in beach, silt soil, clay soil and loamy soil. These 4 soils are the main soils. Then let's come on to that layers of soil. Okay, do you know in the soil there are many layers. So, what is soil? So there is a topsoil. You know what is topsoil? Where they move. I am moving somewhere. But there is topsoil. This is topsoil. Then there is the uppermost layer of soil is called topsoil. It is very fine soil and also contain nutrients and the humus decayed animals and plants. So it is the fertile layer. Then there is subsoil. Let's come on with the definition of subsoil. The layer below the topsoil is called the subsoil. It is made up of the big pieces of rock. This layer is hard and less porous than the topsoil. So it has big pieces of rock. If we are digging, then we will find some rocks. So that is called subsoil. Then the bedrock. It lies below the subsoil. Firstly, topsoil. Wait, let me draw this. Topsoil, subsoil, and bedrock. Why we call it bedrock? Why we call it topsoil? And why we call it subsoil? So the main reason is these bedrocks are placed like a bed. So see, 1 rock, 2 rock, 3 rock, 4 rock, 5 rock. So our next topic is composition of soil. Everything is made up of anything. Like let's turn composition of soil. What is soil made up of? Let's go. Right. So first is gravels, sand and clay particles. Gravel, sand and clay particles. Then a second thing is minerals. Right now we have learned. Sorry, I have written wrong spelling. Minerals. Then a third thing is humus. You know what is humus? When plants and animals die. What? When plants and animals die, they rot in with the soil. That is called humus. Then it is some tiny living organisms that are fungi, bacteria. Then our next thing is water. And our sixth thing is and last is air. These all things made soil, topsoil, subsoil, bedrocks. So these all things are the main things of soil. So let's revise once more that how many types of soil are there. There are 4 types of soil. Sandy soil, silt soil, clay soil and loamy soil. Would you will be remember? आज के लिए इतना ही. फिर अपन मिलेंगे अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.